Guess what, man? I get Makai and Christine. They're not brother sister. This is the mother and this is the son. Hey, but who's the greatest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, check out a minute, babe. Come on, guys. And I got two lovely girls there from Housemart, the most beautiful girls in the world. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big check out a man in the pan. It's a busy day at KTA. Welcome to the man and the pan. Everybody's working so hard here, planning noise, planning action. I'm gonna do something real special for you guys. I am going to make poke kimchi wonton tea. So easy, so fast, and so oishii naimasu, delicious. Okay, here we go, man. The first thing you do, I have this small piece of ahi. Yeah, it's just less than even half a pound. You keep it up in small pieces. You can even use ground ahi or any kind of fish. It's like this. So I grab this. Throw it inside my bowl, just like this, okay? In there, I grab some cream cheese. So you gotta make sure it's a whipped cream cheese. Dump about 4 ounces in here, just about half of the cream cheese. Mix them all up. And the finger look just like this. In here, we grab some kimchi. I use Honda kimchi. I dump in some Cheeto in the kimchi, maybe about 1/4 cup. And I grab the kimchi like this, 2 of them, okay? And I chop them up into small pieces, just like this. Then I add this right inside my mix. Okay? Mix them all up, just like this. Okay, look just like this, okay? So in here, put half teaspoon of Hawaiian salt, sesame oil, about one teaspoon. I put on some garlic powder, about half teaspoon, and mix it all up. They look exactly like this, okay? Turn on the fire, heat up some oil. I think it's heating up. I'm gonna wrap some wonton, just like this, okay? Grab the wonton, put in the mixture, fold it just like this, okay? So the thing is hot, put it on medium heat. The thing about this is that you don't have to cook it really well, because it's like poke. In fact, let me taste. Oh wow, you can even eat this like this, you know, like a poke. Oh, very honor. Okay, it's already done. Taking it out. Okay? See, it's all done. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. Here you go. Woo. This burger is really good. Woo. Oh, the burger is like on fire. Oh, look. Fire. Until next week, we see you on the man and the pan. Awesome. What? True taste tester. Good.
Uncle Derek, this thing is mean. Man in the pan.
Okay, awesome.